Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Blackview BV6600E smartphone, and let me show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, we gotta somehow go to the Wi-Fi settings page. You can do that by simply calling out for the notification and control center by swiping downwards from the top part of your display. Here locate the Wi-Fi shortcut, tap and hold. At the Wi-Fi settings menu, choose what network you would like to share the password of. In my case, I'll use this HardReset.Info network. And at the network details page, tap on the share icon. And once this QR code gets generated, we also get the actual Wi-Fi network password right below it, as you can see. So you can either manually find this network on the second device and manually enter the password, or you can simply take the device that you were to share this Wi-Fi network password with. In my case, let's say I'll use this Nokia Android smartphone and scan this QR code. So in order for me to scan the QR code, I'll use the built-in Google Lens. So let me open it. Here I'll just align this QR code with this square frame. Wait until the QR code gets actually recognized. And once it actually gets recognized, I can go ahead and tap on this Join Network button. And as you will see now, our Nokia smartphone will be successfully connected to the HardReset.Info Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye!